Rumble. So for those of you who don't know about this platform, it's a new platform which I came across, and they call it Rumble. And I stumbled upon this Rumble thing on YouTube here, because YouTube is one place that I come most of the time to learn things that I would really want to use to develop myself, improve myself. And then I also own a YouTube channel which you are right now watching me from. So if there are things I recently discovered about the Rumble platform. So Rumble is similar to YouTube, but the only difference is that YouTube is massive, because YouTube has got billions of people who come to YouTube platform, billions of people visitors on YouTube platform, compared to Rumble, which is just some millions of people across the world. And even as of now, so many people don't know anything about Rumble. But I've got some few questions that I would really want to ask here. And if you have got answers to this question, I would like you to please type on the comment section. So now you come to YouTube, you type Rumble, and enter. So, and this is the kind of result that you get. Rumble for beginners, Rumble tutorial. So in case you are not on Rumble and you would like to have an account, there is a link on this video which you can click on that link and then create your free account. Rumble is not just like YouTube, which is 100% free. So you got the free version on Rumble. You also have the publisher's account, and you also have another account which is a paid account that also comes with a whole lot of benefits, which we'll discuss about that later. So let me scroll down. So this is the question that I have. $2,000 a month on Rumble, and then the guy is showing a screenshot of a cash out of $2,900 plus. Okay, and then you scroll down again, you see I tried to make money on Rumble, reloading free videos, 30 days challenge. So this is what people are doing to make money, how to make money on Rumble. So, and then if I keep scrolling down, you see, let me just type Rumble, make money on Rumble. Rumble, make money. Let's see what we'll get there. So, alright, I scroll down, $100 per day on Rumble. Okay, and then $300 per day on Rumble. $2,000 per day. We saw that one already. And if we scroll down, we'll see a whole lot of them. $700 on Rumble a day. That's a lot. Does it work? That is also my question. Is it possible? So I decided to create an account. Remember I told you that I came across Rumble just like 2 days ago. So I decided to create an account. So, and when I created that account, so this is Rumble platform. So as you can see, it's very, very similar to what you have on YouTube. So if I scroll down, you see a whole lot of videos that has been posted, and this is very, very similar to YouTube. Now, one thing is that Rumble itself has got an account on YouTube where they also publish a whole lot of video. They talk about their platform, Rumble, and the rest. Now on the top here, you have my feeds, game. You can also go live as well on Rumble. You have virals, sports, podcasts, finance, and so many other things that they talk about here on this platform. So I want to log into my account. So 2 days ago, I created an account here on Rumble. So I'm inside my account here right now. So if I go here, I click account overview. Okay. As you can see, within that 2 days, it's 2 days now I created this account. So I uploaded some content. This is the name of my channel, Enlighten Life Mastery, which I also have on YouTube as well, Enlighten Life Mastery. I believe that's where you're watching me from. So we have here 1 cent. Is that up to a cent? So this is what I have earned so far on this platform within 2 days. Now, this is what makes it quite different from YouTube, because if I go to my content, if I go back here, I click on my content. Let's look at the videos that I've uploaded so far on Rumble. Okay, it says ready. This is not been monetized yet. Monetization pending. Okay, that's one video there. Another video, monetization pending as well. Another video, monetization pending. You have here, this one is monetized. This one is monetized. This is monetized. This is monetized. This is monetized. This is monetized. Monetized. So I've got there about 6 or 7 videos. So out of those videos, some have been monetized already. Some have not been monetized already. So the difference here is that on YouTube, you have to upload so many videos and then get a certain watch time hour in thousands, and also get some subscribers. I think 1,000 subscriber also, or is it 4,000 subscribers, depending on the format of the video that you're making. If you are creating just only mostly shorts video or long form content video. So YouTube, people stay there for even 1 year without getting monetized. Some also they get monetized after some months. Some get monetized even quicker than that, depending on their level of experience on YouTube. But on Rumble, one good thing I see about Rumble is that you get monetized as quickly as possible. Like most of the videos here that I've posted, they were monetized the same, like within about 10 minutes, some of them less than 10 minutes, they were monetized. So this is what makes the whole big difference. So for those people who making $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month, I think this is beginning to make some sense to me. I think it is true. I think it is possible, depending on how serious someone would take this Rumble thing. I think if one is posting quite a whole lot of video here, and they're able to possibly promote their video, it is possible to make that kind of money from the claim these folks are making on YouTube about how much money they're making on Rumble. So I get a lot of comments here, people coming and commenting. These are a whole lot of comments, people commenting on my video, but most of these people, some of them are asking me to like maybe make some okay, this is another good thing I want to show you about Rumble. This is my website, and that link is clickable. Okay, That link is clickable. On YouTube, you could upload video for some time. If you have a new channel, like the one I have here on Rumble, you have to upload video for a long time. Or unless you do the verification with your phone number and the rest before YouTube can then allow that link to be clickable. So this is clickable. So which means I could also get traffic to my website from the Rumble platform. So to wrap it up, I think Rumble is a great platform. I don't see it as a competitor to YouTube, because YouTube is giant, it's big, it's massive. So you cannot compare a 5-year-old kid with a 70-year-old grown-up man or woman who has gotten a whole lot of experience about life. And so if you want to compare those two platforms, I think that's the way I see it. So, but Rumble is great. It's amazing. We see what the future has for these platforms that are popping up right now, trying to mimic or trying to mimic YouTube, I would say. But at the end of the day, YouTube is like Google. YouTube is like the second largest search engine in the whole world. So I don't think that there is any platform that will be able to overtake this YouTube giant. So it's gonna take it might happen, but it will take a very, very long time. So thank you very much for watching. I don't remember if I did introduce myself from the beginning of this video. My name is Basi, and I run this channel. I think this is gonna be the first time I'm popping out my face on this channel. Mostly I post a whole lot of short content with regards to finance, self-development, and all the rest on my shorts. So if you have the time, check out the shorts. If this video has been valuable to you, feel free to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting more content from time to time. Thank you so much for taking the time out to come watch out this video. Thanks and bye. Have a good day.